Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Fear the Walking Dead Season 6, Episode 15. We're almost at the end of this Season 6, only 2 episodes to watch to finish this season. And we are feeling it, you know, that we are approaching to the end of this Season 6 with what happened during the last one. They revealed a lot of big informations during the last one. I'm sorry, I'm gonna be like that during all of the video. I'm beginning to be sick, you know, I can feel it. I'm beginning to not feel okay. We had a lot of hot days in France, and since one day it's raining like hell and it's really colder, you know, we went from an extreme to the other one, and I think that my body is not okay with that. You know, my body is really like, it's too much, I don't want that, and that's it. You know, I'm feeling a little sick, so I'm sorry for that, for my outfit, if I'm like that a little during the intro review and also during the episode, but I'm beginning to feel a little sick. But I'm still watching this show. Each time that one episode is out, we had a little break, you know, between these 2 episodes. It's okay. I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna finish this season. I'm wondering about the next season. I have to be honest with you. I'm wondering about reacting to it or not, because I had already just a few viewers, you know, for the season 5 that I did not appreciate, but at least I had some views on it. And for this season 6, I have really like little views. And even if I'm not making these reaction videos for the number of viewers, you know me, you know that I'm making them for fun. That's why I continued, you know, this season to react to this season, even if since the beginning I have really just a little of you who are watching me reacting to it. I love this show, I love these characters, I want to watch this show, so I'm reacting to it, that's it. But I'm beginning to wonder, you know, for the season 7 if I'm gonna react to it or not, because it's taking me a lot of time, you know, to film the video, to edit it, to export it, to download it, to work on it with the picture, with the links, with also fighting with YouTube, with the copyright, you know, with the fair use rules of YouTube. Sometimes I'm forced to re-edit the video, so to export it again, to download it again. Really, it's taking me a lot of time, these videos. I'm beginning to wonder, you know, the balance between the time that I'm taking to do it and in fact the people who are interested by it. So I'm asking you guys, what do you think about it, about the next season? Are you gonna watch it? Do you want to watch it with me, to watch my reaction videos about it? Would you be sad, you know, if I stop right now? Would you understand? Tell me, I really want your opinion about that. I'm wondering, you know, after the season 5 I was already wondering if I was gonna watch this season 6 or not, but it was because of the fact that the season 5 was awful and I didn't want to lose my time for a show that I didn't appreciate anymore, even if I was still in love with the characters. The season 6, I love it. That's why I want to continue it, but I have also to be reasonable, you know, with my time. I'm telling you that I'm wondering, I'm totally honest with you, I'm transparent with you with that. I'm wondering about it, I have some doubts, I want your opinion about it. I'm really making these reaction videos for fun and for you guys, so me, I still have fun watching them, doing them less because of the fact that it's beginning to be really hard with YouTube and all. But you, do you appreciate them or not? I'm asking you. Would you be okay to just be with me for The Walking Dead? And it's gonna be the last season of The Walking Dead, so after that we're gonna be separated. See? I'm really wondering, I'm really asking myself a lot of questions with Fear the Walking Dead, but I'm taking, you know, all of the things that I need to think about. The fact that I will still react to The Walking Dead, but it's the final season, so after that, what? It's a goodbye with this universe, even if the Fear the Walking Dead would continue. See, a lot of different questions. And I want to be transparent with you, to tell you that I'm on the ring, so you're not gonna be surprised, you know, if during the last episode I'm telling you that I will stop to react to this show, which is not the decision that I took. I'm just wondering. Okay, about what happened during the last episode, that's how I began this intro. I'm sorry, I'm sick, so I'm even more a mess than usually. I was right about the fact that the key was for a nuclear explosion thing. I was thinking also maybe a radiation situation. At least I knew with all of the clues that they put during all of the last episodes that these guys, this cult, they were preparing something, a big thing to destroy humanity. You know, people on the ground, and that's why they were preparing themselves to spend years under the ground, and that's why also they are thinking that they are the elite, you know, the ones who have to survive to all of that and who are gonna begin the new humanity. So that was a nuclear thing. They are not on the same bunker, but they are still planning to do it. He wants Alicia for something. He said at the end of the last episode, you know, Teddy, that he wanted her because she could be the one to prepare the new world. She could be the one to be the leader of the new world. I don't know why, but I can't believe into that. You know, he said also that he needs someone to turn the keys, you know, to sacrifice him or herself for the other ones. And all of the good qualities of Alicia that Teddy noticed and said out loud that it noticed, it was the fact that she's fighting for her people, the fact that she's taking care of them. When they met, it was because of the fact that she sacrificed herself. So I don't know why, but I still think that he wants her to turn the keys. Of course, I don't want the explosion, you know, to happen at the end. But follow me with that. It could be interesting. It would create a situation, maybe a time jump situation, with our guys forced to live with the cult, or maybe forced to sacrifice people of the cult. They would spend entire years under the ground. They would be confronted to a lot of issues, food, water, also people maybe who will get crazy because of the situation and all. A lot of interesting issues, interesting questions, interesting society subjects and all. A big change for characters, you know, that could be really like our guys beginning a new life, a new thing into the next season. This potential situation, I think that for the writers, it could be really interesting. And for the development of the characters and for a lot of things like that. But I'm afraid of it, of that possibility, because it would mean that someone would turn the keys on, so maybe someone that we know and love. And maybe other people are gonna die during that moment. And it would mean that we are gonna be forced to live with the cult guys or to kill a lot of them. And these poor guys, you know, they are just brainwashed by Teddy. They are just weak, you know, they wanted to believe in something and Teddy offered them something to believe in. I'm not blaming them, you know, not entirely. And for an obscure reason, I appreciate Riley. Which is weird because he's really the right hand of Teddy and he said and did a lot of wrong things. But I don't know why. I think that it's because of the actor. I really think that the actor is great. He's really interpreting that role well. And I can see, you know, a possible development for his character. And I think that the actor could do that well. I don't know. we're gonna see that right now. What we're gonna do for situation, are we gonna resolve it or not? Again, I'm sorry to say that it could be interesting if we are not resolving it and if it will really happen. Of course we have to survive to it, but it will create a situation really interesting. I didn't watch other reactors, you know, reacting to that news, so I don't know what they think. If they are just against it because they don't want people to die, or if they think that for the show and the characters, their developments be a good decision, in fact, that the writers would make. Let's go for this episode 15. Oh, I'm really feeling sick, you know, like when you're beginning to feel sick. That moment, that between moments where you're not feeling well.
You really think I can find that person in your new world?
You're like him.
Yes. Alicia, I thought you saw something special in her.
Oh, you're right, I did. I love what Alicia will become. You are so much like me, Sue. We are two very logical conclusions in a world. Violence and lies and self-interest. That's why we understand each other.
That's why you need to be killed, if you are following what you're saying.
Do not belong anywhere in a world where things are just about to get started.
What's gonna happen to us?
You're gonna die. You're gonna kill yourself.
We are going to die up here with everyone else. Do you want to pretend to be somebody else? Just have a chance to keep on breathing? Or do you want to stay just the way you are for whatever time we have left?
Oh, I'm so proud of you.
We're in the right place for that.
You're gonna do it. No.
How do you know about all this stuff?
I was the weapons officer on this boat.
How'd you get them to follow you, knowing that they're gonna die?
How did he do it with you?
Follow you. You just have to offer something they really want to believe in, which is that not a lot of people want to die.
Yes, Morgan.
You just have to be willing to die with them.
You're all there.
You ready to do this? I'm guessing that's a rhetorical question.
Wait! You're there. You didn't leave.
Let's go.
Strand with Morgan's. I think that they're gonna fail. I'm sorry to say it. And that's why we have still one episode after that to fight to have their place into the bunker. Morgan. Others can come. You're a good shooter, John. John taught you well.
Still holding the 10.
There's the reactor compartment still intact. These readings should be twice this.
I know what you're trying to do.
Same thing as you are.
Yeah.
That's why.
I want to make them pay.
Something wrong with that?
We haven't really talked about
Now's not the time.
For sure. I couldn't. That, the bunker, I'm claustrophobic, it would be my worst nightmare.
I'm coming with you.
No, you gotta stay alive. You were here for a reason. You gotta be. It might just be so that you can build that future that Athena showed you.
He was into that future.
First, we gotta make sure there's a world left behind to rebuild.
That's a spirit.
Morgan, let me take a look.
No, I'm fine.
Take more readings.
Let her take a look. I don't want another Carl situation, okay?
Crew on this boat. You mean how many dead stand between us and where we're going?
We need to know the crew complement. Did you hear that?
She just said 150.
That's a lot. Too much for you guys.
Any idea what's beyond that hatch? Alicia may be in port, and if she's not, we need whoever's alive to find out where she is. When I get in there,
I like the fact that you're thinking about Alicia's strength even now.
jobs are gonna fail. It's not for you to read. Okay, just because Dakota saved your life doesn't mean you need to give it up.
You're not gonna sacrifice
I was halfway
yourself.
down
Your
one
friends
of
are not gonna allow that.
Maybe so. But we're gonna be right there behind you. Oh, come on. But Alicia called on me to take care of this. And that's what I'm gonna do. I was done with the chit chat.
She was trying to reach Morgan, but I love the spirit strength.
We're all gonna begin, Morgan. No use in arguing.
Family, stay together.
Let's open it up.
Oh! Let them come out, no? Morgan is doing everything? Guys? Ooh!
Come here.
Say that to your girl.
Dozen missiles?
Take out the continent. At least. Locking us in?
Uh-huh.
We don't want any surprises.
We don't want to be locked into that place for life.
Chris?
I think this is the emergency comm.
You sure got here fast. Is that you, Morgan? It is.
So we are really evolving at the same time, okay?
Recognize this voice tag? Give you a hint.
Last time you heard it, you were in a Denton County courthouse listening to my testimony against you.
Remember? Oh, he feeling a little nervous?
Officer Dory.
Put me away. I wouldn't be sitting where I am right now.
Don't let him get to you.
Alicia.
No way.
She's tucked away someplace where you'll never find her.
Tell us where the
Missile will head.
You didn't think you'd be safe up here by the boat, did you? I am leaving everyone to their end, and
You are doing the same thing.
Who's there?
You excuse me, gentlemen. Gotta run.
Did you reach our people? Can they get somewhere safe? The naval base.
Knock knock! Who's there?
Where's Morgan? What happened in there?
They killed each other, they killed themselves. Oh, he's gonna go and he's gonna close the door. He's continuing, you know, with this idea of sacrificing himself.
This isn't on you.
The two of you.
I don't need you to be here. You're not supposed to be doing this by yourself.
That was not the plan.
No one has to die. But they might. Dakota's note. She said you had things left to do with this. What do you think she meant?
She didn't know about all of that.
I've been leading these people from one dead end to another. And I just want to be sure this time. She's a sociopath. She wanted you to kill her mother. That's what she meant, not this.
Thank you, Strand. That's why I love you. He did bad stuff, but
Alicia asked me a difficult question.
he's honest with himself.
She asked if I was doing this for everyone, if I was doing it for me. I'm doing it for everyone. I need you to know that. You better stop this man so you can tell her that for yourself.